5 hours later. Remember, we're reading Bird and Squirrel on the Edge. This is the last part of it. We're not going in there, are we? We either go through or we go over. But didn't you say nothing good lurks in dark places? That's what she... Well, I was wrong. For all we know, there might be another berry patch in there. Or spiders. What if the entire mountain is filled with spiders? Then Bear will do the grossest thing imaginable and eat them. Slurp. Do you see any spiders? No, not yet. Now remember, think about the characters of Bird and Squirrel. Who's the one that's usually the scared one? Usually Bird, right? Usually Squirrel. And Bird is the one who's usually very outgoing and adventurous. But remember, Squirrel accidentally hit Bird on the head with the pine cone. There's something up ahead. Is it spiders? Wow, you can see. You can open your eyes now. There are no spiders. Whoa, I've never seen anything like this. Who is that? That's you. Are you sure this is me? Gah! Yes, we made it to the other side of the mountain. We'll spend the night here, and in the morning we'll head toward home sweet home. Squirrel, thanks for saving me today. I'd be wolf food if it weren't for you. You would and have done the same for me. Well, before I hit you on the head with the pine cone, we should probably get some sleep. Who knows what's going to attack us tomorrow? Good night, Squirrel. Night, Bird. Later. The fire goes out. Sniff, sniff. Look at the eyes. Oh, nuts. This isn't good. They've got us surrounded. Oh, no. What should they do? There's nowhere for us to run. We're dead. We're dead. What are we going to do? There's nothing we can do. This is the end. It's the end. You're right. What? I am? This is the end. I'm tired of being afraid. Where are you going? He's lost his mind. They're going to eat him alive. Come on. Come and get me. Growl. What are you waiting for? Are you afraid now? Snarl. No, I'm not afraid. Wow, it's like Bird's personality. I don't. He's going to. I can't. We're all going to die. Growl. Whack. Crack. Roar. Oh, look. What happened again? He hit his head. Snap. Roar. Smash. Growl. Thud. Why don't you pick on somebody your own size? Arg. Whap. Snarl. I really should have thought this through first. What's happening? Chomp. I am not afraid. Are they falling off the cliff? Who's that? Snarl. race. And what did they do? Yip, 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 yip. They went running back. I'm a bird. And who's back? Bird is back. Oh, tail feathers, the wolves are gone. Now what are we going to do for fun? I think we've had enough fun for one night. Hey! I'm happy to see you too, big guy. What should we do now? The night is still young. Oh, I know. We can search for Bigfoot. It's good to have you back. Does that mean we're searching for Bigfoot? No, definitely not. The next morning. Last one down the mountain is a rotten egg. Come on, y'all. Race you home. No thanks. What about the dreaded dust? Ew, it can wait. It's not going to kill me. Who are you? And what have you done with Squirrel? Oh, I'm still terrified of the dust. It's just not going to kill me. What was that? It's probably nothing. You guys stay here and I'll check it out. Snap. Hello? Rustle. Roar! Grrr! Whoa, whoa, it isn't what you think. We didn't take your cub. Grrr, he's okay. Grrr. Well, Bird, it looks like Bear Cub has found his mother. Bird, I was just checking out the back of the tree. Were you scared? Who, me? Don't be ridiculous. That has to be one of the most interesting backs of trees that I've ever seen. It looks like this is goodbye. It's been very nice getting to know you. Slurp. I'm going to miss you too. Marr. Bye. Stay safe. You did good, Papa Bear. Now let's go home. Come on, admit it. You were a little bit scared back there when Mama Bear came out of the bushes. All right, I was scared. Ha! I knew it. Probably just a side effect of being hit in the head with a very large pine cone. I told you that was an accident. You are never going to let me live that down, are you? Nope, never. The end. And then there's the author. That was a good book. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'm pretty sure that was number 3. Yep. So now we got to get ready for number 4. Have a good weekend.